Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install LibreOffice 25 on Fedora Linux 42, but the process is same on all Fedora versions. First open the web browser that comes with Fedora, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, that is LibreOffice.org. See here, at the time of installation, latest version of the LibreOffice is 25.2. Click on download, then select download LibreOffice. Then for Fedora, we have to select this RPM package from this drop down list. Then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 229 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install it. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. See, it is zip file. Okay, open terminal. Now go to downloads, ls. See here we have the LibreOffice 25.2 zip file. We have to unzip tar-xf, then give lib, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, extraction completed, ls. Now go to extracted directory, cd, libre, give the tab, ls. Now go to this RPMs. See, these are the list of the RPM packages that needs to be executed to install the LibreOffice 25.2. So install them, sudo rpm-ivh tar.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications, show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice base. It is like MS Office. Calc, it is like MS Office. Excel, Writer, it is like MS Office. Word. Okay, let me open this Calc. It is like MS Office Excel. See, you got the LibreOffice. See, its look is like MS Office Excel. If you want to verify the version, go to help and click on about LibreOffice. See, we have installed LibreOffice version 25.2. Close it. Close this one. Ls, these files are not required anymore. Go up. Remove this directory and zip file because we have successfully installed rm urf-rf libre, give the tab. Also remove this one, libre, give the tab. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice 25.2 on Fedora Linux 42, but the process is same on all Fedora Linux versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.